Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Yeah, no banana, the move alright. So I'm gonna use them and make some banana pancake in the morning. Let's make some waffle for the kids. So I have 2 eggs. I'm gonna go in with 2 ripe bananas. A cup of oats. Flavor that up with some cinnamon, about a half teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Freshly grated nutmeg, about less than a 1/4 teaspoon as well. You don't want to overpower this with spice. Half teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have some almond extract, just like a drop. That's it. And lastly, some baking powder. Use about a tablespoon and a half. And we're gonna blend that. If it's too thick, then we can add a little bit of milk to loosen it up. The egg will help, right? To liquidize it. And let's see what that looks like. Beautiful. There we go. Nice consistency. Look at the consistency. You can make this as a pancake or you can make this as a waffle. I'm going to make it as a waffle, right? So waffle maker is heating up. I like to go in it a little bit of butter. Use like a brush. I'm using a silicone pastry brush. I'm just going to spread that butter all around. This will help to flavor as well as to prevent the waffles from sticking. And you want to go at the top as well, so it doesn't stick to the waffle maker. Ajay, what are you doing there? That should be good for 2. I'm gonna add some fresh blueberries in here. This is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. But these kids, they love blueberries. So banana blueberry waffles are, as I said again, pancake. I'm going to somewhat cover them so they don't burn. Seal the lid and cook for about 3 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice and soft. That 3-minute timer is up. Just going to cut that in 4. Drizzle some maple syrup over top, or you can go in with your favorite syrup, but I go sugar-free maple syrup, or you can use honey if you want to. And just drizzle over top. Breakfast is ready. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.